Yes, now we'll try to understand what are functions in Python. So, in the previous example, we saw different functions: print, input, int, rand, int to get a random number. All these all types of functions. So those are built-in functions that we can take off the packages. There are functions that we can use, but see how we can write a custom function that we want to for ourselves. So the syntax for that is use def definition, and can give it the name that you want here, greeting, and the parameters that you want to pass to that function, and put a colon. After that, everything that comes after this indentation is the body of it. So why do we need a function? Function is a set of things grouping together. There can be thousand lines of code. If they make sense together, then we put it into a function. And the main thing is we can reuse this. Okay. So the something about the scope of the function. So let's say we are passing a parameter inside the function. It's called name. So this name we can't use it outside of the function. We can only use it inside of the function. uh, and also the order is important. Let's say here we define the custom function and we are calling it here. Okay, so we can't do it in the other way. We can't put change the order of these things. First we need to define it, then only we need to call it. Here you can see there is a the function to simply print the name. So we can here reuse it two times. We have called it, and this will print two times. Also, we can slightly improvise it. We can pass the name as a parameter, and then again we can call the greeting method like this. So reusability and organizing things together into a logical, meaningful units is the thing. So we'll see something as a demo. So in a very simple way, let's define a function. So it's a func one. um, I'm not going to put anything complex, so I'm just going to print it. And I'm going to define another function. I'm going to call it 2. And I'm going to also create another main function to call the function 1 and function 2, something like this. So what when I execute this, what happens is it will um, yeah, it will not show anything because now we have defined only. Okay, so to call this we need to actually call the function. Okay, so now when we run this here, task 1, task 2. So what happens here is from the main program or main function, here the main function is called. So it comes here and it calls the function 1. It comes here and it executes everything inside. So task 1 is printed. Then it goes to this one. So this is finished now. Then it goes to this one, goes here, and brings the second one. So it comes here. So this is a very simple example from main. Main is called, main is executed, and from inside that, func 1, 2, and called, 1, 2, and stop. So this is a very basic foundation principle of functions.